Welcome everyone. As many of you were asking about the best hair removal machine, I'm using Philips hair removal machine Advanced Lumea, that is easy and safe to use. So this is my laser hair removal machine. I'll show you. This is Advanced Lumea. Okay. I'll show you the model number. Please take a screenshot. This is made in Hungary. Model number SC 1995/60. I'll mention the model number in description box. Okay, this is the push button. From here you may choose most comfortable energy setting for your skin tone with integrated smart skin sensor. Here is the sensor. Okay. This is the charger. Connect the cord here and press this button. Okay, now step 1 is to shave or replicate your area from where you have to remove hairs. Step 2 is to select the setting based on your skin tone with sensors 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll suggest you to use in 1 and 2nd mode. Step 3 is press the treatment window on your skin in 90-degree angle and wait for the ready flash. This will blink in green color and press the button. Step 4, slowly slide the Lumea across the treatment area while avoid flashing the same area for the second time. Okay, up to 98% hair reduction will occur in 3 sessions. After just 12 treatment, enjoy hair-free skin from Philips Lumea Advanced. I will mention the link from where you can buy the laser machine in the description box. Model number will also be mentioned. Feel free to ask about laser machine in comment section. Okay. Subscribe my channel and do support.